Have you ever thought that the vegetables you eat most often, the ones on your plate almost every day, could be working against you? Carrots, potatoes, tomatoes. They feel so familiar that we rarely question them, but small mistakes in preparation can strip away their nutrients, or even trigger issues like blood sugar spikes and inflammation. Today, we'll explore the tiny changes that turn these vegetables into powerful allies for your energy, digestion, and clarity. No drastic diets, just gentle, helpful shifts in how you cook and combine them. We tend to assume that vegetables are always healthy, but it's not that simple. Overheating, eating them at the wrong time, or skipping essential combinations can turn a good food into something not so helpful. These three vegetables are in almost every kitchen, but each of them has a specific weak point, and when you know it, you unlock their full healing potential. Let's get into the mistakes and how to make better, more nourishing choices. Mistake number 1, carrots, overheating and frying. Carrots do need a little heat, but too much heat destroys their antioxidants and turns them into a high glycemic food that can spike your blood sugar and leave you tired. Here's something most people don't know. Raw beta-carotene, which gives carrots their bright color, is absorbed very poorly, only 3 to 5%. But when lightly cooked with fat, absorption can go up to 40%. Try this instead. Roast carrots gently with a little olive oil and herbs like turmeric or cumin. This improves both flavor and absorption, so your body actually gets the benefits you expect. Mistake number 2, tomatoes without fat. Tomatoes are full of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that supports your heart, skin, and immune system. But lycopene is fat-soluble. Without fat, your body simply can't absorb it. Interestingly, cooking tomatoes actually increases lycopene levels, unlike most vegetables that lose nutrients when heated. Try this instead. Add olive oil, avocado, or a bit of cheese to raw tomatoes. This small addition makes a big difference in how much your body can use. Tomato salad becomes a real boost for your health. If this video helped you take better care of yourself, give it a like and subscribe. Your support means a lot. Mistake number 3, potatoes in the deep fryer. Fried potatoes might taste great, but they're loaded with harmful compounds formed during high heat cooking. These stress your heart and nervous system, raise your blood sugar, and increase inflammation. But here's the good news. When you cook potatoes and let them cool, they form resistant starch, a special kind of fiber that supports gut health and doesn't raise blood sugar. Try this instead. Roast potatoes with the skin on and season with garlic or rosemary. And always pair them with a protein, like eggs or lentils, to slow digestion and give you long-lasting energy. Mistake number 4, only eating raw carrots. Crunchy raw carrots are refreshing, but the nutrients your body needs, especially beta-carotene, are barely absorbed in raw form. Try rotating. Enjoy raw shredded carrots one day and roasted or steamed carrots another day. This way, you support your body with both fiber and essential vitamins in a form it can actually use. Mistake number 5, sugary tomato sauces. Many store-bought tomato sauces and ketchups are full of sugar. This sugar cancels out the benefits of tomatoes and triggers inflammation. Try this instead. Make your own tomato sauce using fresh tomatoes, olive oil, garlic, and herbs like basil. You'll get all the benefits with none of the hidden harm. Mistake number 6, eating potatoes. Late at night. Potatoes aren't bad, but timing matters. Eating them late in the evening can interfere with digestion and lead to weight gain. Try this instead. Enjoy potatoes earlier in the day, paired with greens or protein. Your body will process them more efficiently, and thank you with more stable energy. Curious how to get the most out of other vegetables too? Don't miss our video about 5 common beet mistakes, especially if you love using beets for circulation, energy, and heart health. Watch 5 mistakes that destroy beet benefits and how to avoid them. Take a calm breath and gently repeat. I prepare my meals with wisdom and care. Even the simplest foods give me strength. I listen to my bodies, and that's enough. Carrots, potatoes, and tomatoes aren't your enemies. They can be your greatest allies. But like all good things, they need the right approach. A little awareness changes everything. And the fact that you're here means you already care. Thank you for choosing knowledge over habit. Thank you for feeding your body, not just with food, but with kindness. Share this video with someone who eats these vegetables daily. They might be surprised. And tell us in the comments, which one is on your plate the most and how do you prepare it? Your insight could inspire someone else to care and live better. Take care, you're doing great.